If you are in the market for a new monitor, LG is one of the top brands to consider. This tech giant is one of the biggest monitor makers in the world and has some great products in its lineup. But with so many models out there, it can be difficult to know which one to choose. So to help you out, we have compiled a list of the 5 best LG monitors that you can get in 2020.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the LG 24MK600MB, an attractive IPS monitor for everyday use that includes the brand's expertise in the panel tech and exquisite design. Spec-wise, it's built with an IPS panel and has got a 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution, 250 nits of brightness, 5 millisecond of response time, and up to 75 Hz refresh rate. Moreover, it has got an ultra-thin bezel design for a more immersive viewing experience. With AMD FreeSync technology, this display can sync its refresh rate with the graphics card's frame rate output to reduce screen tearing, stuttering, and ghosting for smoother gaming. Its dynamic action sync minimizes input lag for more responsive actions from your keyboard, mouse, or controller of your choice. Connect this display to your system via HDMI or VGA and then tilt it to your preferred viewing position. Alternatively, you can install an optional mount, stand, or arm using the VESA mounting holes on the back. If you've been looking for a budget gaming monitor with great contrast ratio and FreeSync technology, then the LG 24MK600M is a value for money option for you. At number 4, we have got the LG 32GK850GB, a gaming-focused monitor built with many helpful features to assist you on the battlefield. And spec-wise, it has got a 2560 by 1440 resolution and an impressive 31.5-inch screen size that'll deliver you thrilling, immersive gaming experience. With a 144 Hz refresh rate, a fast 5 millisecond response time combined with NVIDIA G-Sync technology, this display eliminates screen tearing, minimizes stutter and input lag for smoother, faster gaming. The customizable sphere lighting on the back of the monitor provides you with fantastic lighting with an array of different colors and lighting modes. It has got a built-in USB hub, which you can use to connect peripherals and quickly charge devices thanks to its quick charging technology. You can also tilt, swivel, pivot, and adjust its height to your viewing preference. If you've been looking for a gaming monitor with excellent features, G-Sync technology, and a high refresh rate, then this gaming monitor from LG is a very good option for you. Coming up on number 3, we have the LG27UK650W, an affordable 4K monitor that is built with many helpful features to enhance your working experience. It is an amazing 27-inch 4K IPS monitor with a great SDR peak brightness up to 350 nits. It has also got 99% sRGB color accuracy, ideal for photographers, video editors, and anyone else handling color-sensitive work. Moreover, with its HDR support, you'll see an amazing picture quality with a cool experience that'll blow you away. With its 5 millisecond response time and AMD FreeSync compatibility, you can also use this monitor for gaming, as you'll not see any stuttering at all. With its aluminum stand, this monitor can be swiveled to left or right and can also be tilted to the front or back to suit your needs. The LG27 UK650W is, without a doubt, a great 27-inch monitor that has got a terrific 4K resolution, brilliant image clarity, and ensures decent performance. Now at over number 2, we have the LG 34WK95UW that features an ultra slim panel along with a fantastic resolution for immersive viewing experience. Designed for content creators, programmers, and developers, this amazing monitor comes with a 34-inch ultra-wide nano IPS display along with incredible 5K resolution that shows your work in rich, vivid colors with ultimate accuracy. This monitor supports multiple resolution in the same display area so that multitaskers can work in a generous 5:9 area while simultaneously viewing a 16:9 4K video on the same screen. It has built-in multiple ports including 3 USB ports and a Thunderbolt 3 port that will let you connect multiple accessories to increase your productivity. If you're looking for an ultra-wide monitor that can fulfill all of your needs at a workstation and enhance your workflow, then the LG 34WK95UW is the right choice for you. Finally, at number 1, we've got the LG 32UN880B that offers an ergonomic solution to enhance your productivity alongside excellent image quality and a straightforward plug-and-play experience. This monitor has got a 4K 31.5-inch IPS panel that comes with up to 350 nits of brightness, providing crisp and clear details along with wide viewing angles, making it just perfect for any professional work. With 1.07 billion of color depth and Super Resolution Plus feature, this monitor offers HDR10 technology and covers 95% of DCI-P3 color gamut, providing you rich vibrant colors and sharp details so that you can edit your videos more easily. When it comes to connectivity, it comes with a 60-watt USB Type-C PD port that supports power pass-through alongside 2 HDMI, 1 DisplayPort, and 2 USB 3.0 for stable and powerful connection. If you want an Apple Alternative Pro grade panel with slim bezels, sleek styling, and mostly strong feature set, then this monitor from LG is just the perfect choice for you. So that was all about the 5 best monitors from LG that are available in 2020. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.